Device in my hand is a Geophone. This Geophone phone, and this video we discuss how to replace battery in this Geophone. And for doing this, first you must switch off your phone. So if your phone is in on mode, you must long press this switch and turn your phone off. And after that, you can easily remove your battery. So for removing the battery, you can see remove this cover first. So for doing this, you must insert your finger here. You can see if you look close, then you can see. So you must put your finger here, and after that simply press. So this way you can easily remove the batteries. Then you can see here, this is the battery. You must simply use your finger and take out this battery from here. This is, and after that you must take a new battery, and there you can see this portion. This is the negative and positive sides are there. You must insert like this. You must insert like this. The battery must insert like this. After that you must close this cover. So this way you can easily replace the battery in your Geophone. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.